My gray hairs disappeared after this treatment, and my hair grew black as before. The cosmetics industry has been tasked with designing a product for all the needs of women. At present, there are beauty products for the face, hair and more. To some extent, these products are effective and help us achieve the desired goals. However, not everyone has the possibility to acquire them, or they simply are not willing to pay for them. Another of the major disadvantages of these products is that they can have side effects. Because they are made up mostly of chemicals, they can cause you a lot of damage to our health. In addition, these can get to mistreat the hair, for example, when we apply treatments to beautify it. That is the reason why many people prefer to resort to natural remedies to treat their hair. These have no side effects and do not possess hazardous chemical compounds. If you are one of those who prefer natural solutions, you will love this recipe. With it, we can achieve a more voluptuous and healthy hair. All we need is a few blocks. This remedy can give an incomparable shine to your hair, besides strengthening the roots and eliminating gray hairs. Believe it or not, this remedy has long been used generation after generation. Because apples are rich in multiple properties, they can strengthen your hair and prevent it from falling. On the other hand, although it will not have as much effectiveness as the dyes, it can go darkening your hair until the gray hairs disappear from your head. What we will need: apples 5 units, water ½ pot, peppermint. Preparation and use: 1. To prepare this treatment, all you have to do is peel the apples and put the peel to boil. When it reaches the boiling point, lower the heat and leave it for 30 minutes. Exhausted that time, we extinguished the burner and let the liquid cool down. Finally, filter the liquid and bottled it in a large bottle. 2. Now, when washing your hair, instead of rinsing it with clean water, use the water previously prepared. This treatment apply to your hair at least 2 or 3 times a week. Before long, you will notice how your hair takes on a darker shade and look healthier and stronger.